No, those aren't poop stains. Why does your toilet still look dirty, even after you just cleaned it?
Technology is way too advanced for you to still be scrubbing your toilet once a week with chemical cleaners.
It's not just dirt, it's hard water minerals clinging to your bowl after every flush. That's why scientists developed something smarter. Introducing Krazy Klean, powered by Hydro Mineral Magnetech.
Haven't cleaned my toilet once, and it is the cleanest it has ever been with zero maintenance from me. It's actually very hard to believe because it says on the packaging that it's going to last 10 years. 10 years! I'm a few months in and it's just not dirty like it used to be.
It transforms the way minerals behave so they can't cling or stain. The result? A self-cleaning bowl that stays sparkling for 10 years.
It's seriously the coolest thing ever. Like, to not have to scrub my toilets ever again. Oh my god, that would be amazing.
No scrubbing, no chemicals, no blue toilet water. Just one pod, safe for kids, pets, pipes, and the planet.
The biggest change I've seen is how clean my toilet is without me having to clean it all the time.
Over 10,000 5-star reviews. Krazy Klean, one pod, 10 years, no scrubbing, up to 37% off today. Shop now.